How to book up work with hosts if you're a traveller on Working Traveller. The first video shows you how to create your profile and to show hosts where you'll be in the world. We've assumed you've already done that. If you haven't, go off and watch that video and get to this stage. So log into your profile and this is what you should see. Not a lot. So let's go find some work. You can contact hundreds of hosts if you have full membership. If you're using the free service, you can still contact hosts, but you can only contact 3 hosts a week. Click on Find Work, click on My Skills, and it will drop down the skills that you have added to your profile. Let's go for carpentry. I'm going to, let's say I'm going to Thailand. So I want to see what carpentry work posts there are in Thailand. There are 11, and oh look, the first one's a dummy profile of me. You can see, you read about it, you can see if it's worth looking at or not. Click on the details, you can see all the information, and you can request to work for them or not. So if you contact hundreds of hosts to work for them, it's not a problem, because if say 5 or 6 accept you, like any normal time, you only confirm that you will go and work with one of them. So it's not a problem by contacting lots of them. So you contact them because you filled your profile in, it has all your skills, it has all your details. You don't need to send that information to hosts over and over again. Hi, I noticed you need a carpenter, blah blah blah. Can I come and work for you? Write them a personal message asking to come and work for them and press send message. That gets sent to the host's profile and automatically sends them an email to the email that they and their staff check for volunteers and workers. So don't worry about that not getting straight through to them. It goes directly to the correct email that they will be checking for workers. So contact as many hosts as you want, and then you'll have to wait and see who comes back to you. It's a day later, you've received an email telling you that one of the hosts has accepted your offer. You log in and this is what you see. We manage your work placements for you. So you click on accepted, you see the offer, they will have set the actual dates, hopefully you will have already agreed that. You can keep talking to the host back and forth in the chat to agree exactly what you're going to do. Once you confirm the agreement between the two of you cannot be changed. It's okay, you can still change it when you get there verbally or whatever. But don't worry that you agree something now and don't think that they can change. Once you confirm, that's it. The offer is locked. You go there, and if they don't let you go there, they get a thumbs down on their profile. So you're pretty sure that once you press confirm work placement, that's it. You're on your way, and you've got some work booked up.